In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Mozilla Thunderbird cannot send message using a mailing list. If you're seeing messages fail when you try to mail a list, the problem is often that Thunderbird times out while building or validating that list. The fix is to give Thunderbird a little more time to complete that work by adjusting a single advanced preference. I'll walk you through it clearly and safely. First, open Thunderbird on your computer so you're on the main mail window. In the top right corner, click the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu or hamburger icon. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens Thunderbird's preferences where we can make the change. On the left side of the settings window, make sure General is selected. You're in the right place if you see General Application Options. Now scroll down until you find the Config Editor. Click it. Thunderbird may display a brief warning reminding you that these are advanced settings. That's normal. Proceed and then click Show All so every preference is visible. At the top of the config editor, there's a search box. Click in it and type DOM max script run time. You should see an entry with that exact name. This setting controls how many seconds Thunderbird allows a script to run before it stops it for taking too long. When a mailing list is large or takes extra processing, Thunderbird can hit this limit and abort, which is why the message won't send. Select the DOM max script run time preference to edit it and change its value to 30. Confirm the change. This gives Thunderbird up to 30 seconds to finish building or validating the mailing list without timing out. You don't need to adjust anything else here. When you're done, close the config editor and then close the settings window. The change is saved immediately. If you ever want to go back to the original behavior, return to the same preference and reset it to its default value. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Avoid setting an extremely high number. While it might seem helpful, letting scripts run too long can hide genuine problems or make the app feel sluggish. 30 seconds is a practical conservative ceiling for most mailing lists. Also, only edit the exact entry you searched for. The config editor is powerful and targeted changes keep everything reliable. That's all there is to it. By increasing the script runtime, you remove the bottleneck that interrupts mailing list messages, and Thunderbird should be able to send them normally.